Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to embed a YouTube video in your WordPress. So it's really simple. So in this guide I will teach you, this is coming from wordpress.com itself, so this will be the most accurate as it gets. So to add a YouTube video you will have to first grab the URL. So when you go to YouTube and then you go to a random video, of course, so let's just mute this so that you won't hear anything. So let's just actually go ahead and let's just say this video, we copy the link basically here in the top corner, and then from there, once you go there, you go to your WordPress editor and the link will automatically turn into a embedded YouTube video player. So here, adding YouTube video, all you have to do is paste, and then it'll paste it right there. And then the support is included for standard YouTube videos, YouTube playlist, live streams, and public and unlisted YouTube videos that can be embedded. So private YouTube's videos won't be embedded because they're private as spoken. So from there, you can also add a YouTube block. So a YouTube block, basically, you just have to first add the YouTube block to add the YouTube block, and then plus the block inserter icon. Basically, from there you can be able to search for YouTube and click the block, and there you go. And then you'll be able to be adding the URL that you want to. So it's really just that simple. So there you go, guys. That is how you basically embed a YouTube video into your WordPress. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.